Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Gather the documents you will need before you start: your social security number, Texas driver license or ID, and names, addresses, and gross wages for every employer in the last 18 months. Make sure you know the dates you separated from each job and the reason for separation. Have your bank routing number or a debit card handy to set up direct deposit or request a benefits debit card so payments arrive promptly. Create an Unemployment Benefits Services account on the Texas Workforce Commission website and complete the initial claim form online, which is the fastest method. Carefully report gross wages, separation reason, employer names, and dates for the past 18 months. Inaccuracies slow processing. Choose direct deposit or debit card for payment, read the eligibility questions thoroughly, and submit. Expect an initial processing period. After approval, certify for benefits each week through your Unemployment Benefits Services account or by phone and honestly report any earnings, severance, or pension income to avoid overpayment. Keep a detailed work search log with employer names, dates, contact methods, and results. Texas may require evidence of active job search or participation in reemployment services. If you receive a denial or a dispute over weeks paid, follow the TWC notice and file an appeal within 14 days of the determination date and submit supporting documents promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.